Good morning for everyone. Well, first of all, I want to explain my activity according to activity guide. And I need to speak about the important thing to speak another different language. It's very good to learn another language because it's better to learn another language, foreign, not only English, but Arabic, Russian, French, and so forth. It's not only for learning, but for fun. It's very interesting, it's very good to learn another language. In my case, for matter in the culture, those who speak English, because it's also help us to expand our mind. And then this is the reason that it's important to learn different language. Sometimes I go to Jamaica and I try to speak with the people right there, and it was very difficult to understand what they say because he is speaking with a different accent and use another slang or something like that. But I tried to learn more about her culture and different things. It was important for me because I tried to understand their culture, Rastaman, black people, the way that black people think, and different things between the culture and the idea to see the light. Well, this is for today. Thank you for watching this video.